If you're searching for an apartment in Germany, you may have seen some photos of a rental property and tens of people lining up outside to view the property for 10 minutes, usually in groups of 4 or 5 people. It's not just one case. Take a look at these websites. This one in Berlin, another one also in Berlin, and this one in Hamburg. And the list goes on. Just seeing these images already feels overwhelming and frustrating. We know. Or maybe you have been browsing websites like reddit.com and came across threads, for example, this one, moved to Germany and cannot find an apartment. If you haven't noticed, there is a severe housing crisis in Germany. Things get even more interesting. This guy here says there were around 50 people to visit an apartment in Munich, and they offered to give the apartment to the person who was willing to buy a new carpet and shelves for 5,000 euros. If you are not willing to do that, you are out immediately. And yes, of course, the carpet is really overpriced. Yet, there were at least 40 people that were willing to pay that just to get that apartment. Yes, finding accommodation is often the hardest part of moving. For many expats, finding a home in Germany can feel like navigating a maze. With all the unfamiliar paperwork and rules, language barriers, and no local family or friends, and no job contract, landlords may not see you as an ideal tenant. The problem is, it's more than just a roof. You need the address for the city registration, receiving official mail, complete university or employer paperwork, open a bank account, and pretty much everything. Therefore, in this series, we will share clear practical steps to make the apartment search in Germany simpler and more predictable. We have divided the series into 5 videos. The first video covers the basics. It explains how the rental system works in Germany. Understanding these fundamentals is essential before you even start looking for an apartment. The second video is all about preparation. We will walk you through every document you need, plus ready-to-use templates, forms, and checklists. Everything required to be fully prepared before your search begins. Video 3 focuses on the search itself, and it's split into 2 parts. In part 1, we explain how to search strategically. In part 2, we show real demos of how to navigate the most important websites and platforms. In video 4, we talk about decision making. This includes apartment viewings, understanding the contract, what to watch out before signing, and what happens during the signing, and last, how you receive your keys. Finally, video 5 is about turning your apartment into a home. This video is divided into 7 parts. Part 1 covers city registration, Part 2 is about electricity, Part 3 is internet, Part 4 explains about the broadcasting fee, Part 5 covers operation costs or Nebenkosten, Part 6 is about furniture, and Part 7 is about house rules. This series is a clear A to Z guide on how to find accommodation in Germany. We strongly recommend following the videos in order since each step builds on the previous one. If this content will help you, support the channel by subscribing and feel free to like or comment. It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm.